Welcome back to PresCoach. We're at the crypt tonight. Hashtag no kryptonite. And we are going to get back into the daily trend. But I ain't mucking around with no Bitcoin this time. Nah, see, the market keeps changing. We'll just stay up to date. I mean, pretty much all I'm in is XRP. And I'll show you why. Make sure you smash the like. And let's give this a go for you fools. Not brought to you by the Australian Government, Canberra, not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research and use your viewer discretion at all times. I'll work on that. First, let's get into the goodness. This is on XRP, my NFTs. We got some apes, we got some rich darks, and we got some X-Bays. Most importantly, what up the bulls? Can I get a witness? I say it. What up the bulls? If you don't know, then you don't know. Link's in the description. Alright. First interesting thing I want to point out is Solo. Solo had a crazy pump in an hour and then dumped. And that was 35%. And see, I was watching this, it was going down to this line of support here. And well, doesn't look like much, eh? But what a reaction from this point here, which is very interesting. Very interesting. Why is that not showing up? Ah, yep. 786. It's a pretty typical move. That's not perfect, obviously. But we're not here to study Solo. That's just an XRP pair. I want to show you the Australian dollar, because I'm in Australia, mate, home of the Carl Baron. Been following XRP for a while now. Everything is in the Discord below, including how to trade like me, which is what I'm going to be showing. We'll leave the macro to Danny XRP and the Bearable Bull, both who I've been following for a long time. This is everything that I've learned and potentially more. And you'll find XRP in there. And I have been studying XRP for the longest time. In fact, that's not even all of it. Done a rebrand of the Discord since then. So make sure, please, that you smash the like, share, comment, and be aware. Alright, back to the show. So as you can see, we made this bottom, done a big bounce, but we did not clear, make a new high. It was actually a pretty good pump, which I took advantage of, and then the dump was not nice, and we hit oversold, and now the MACD is pulling back to resistance. I just want to highlight real quick this level. Very, very important. Very, very important. So, this could be a giant double bottom. We don't know. We don't know. We'll just have to let it play out. The way I see it, we've hit oversold. We've pulled all the way back to resistance. And we'll probably have another test of the bottoms here. Most likely. And looking at the US dollar. RSI is a little bit more fancy. Shout out to Nick at Jupiter Cryptos, running Coin Traders Daily. It's very nice, very nice. But yeah, we're still under resistance of the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average, the most important, and the 21, which is clearly a key level. In terms of the daily trend, we've hit a big peak. We have not quite tagged red. So I will be buying these bottoms, however far we may go. And we don't even have to go far. We can literally take off from here, this being a retest of this level. So this could be a shallow pullback. We could hold support. It is a key level. We have flipped. So we'll just have to see where things go. We're zooming in on the 4 hour. We can see we did tag green, We haven't tagged red. So even though we've been oversold, or yeah, maybe we're squeezing. That's the thing. We can go up, we can go down, we can keep going sideways. We've got down to 15% at the bare minimum. And we've got an upside of 30. And why do I say at the bare minimum? Well, because we pulled back to the 50. This could continue down. And with the macro being as the macro is, as macro does, we could get some serious fuzz, end up at 23 cents all over again, which is obviously a great time to buy, but not a great time to hold through. And with the volatility of this dump, but that pump, interesting. It is interesting. We should know by now the market can go either way. It is unforgivable. But if we do test this top level again, I would suggest we would make a new trend line forming in the upwards direction, changing this macro trend, but that is not to be seen yet. XRP versus the Bitcoin. We over hit my target back here, by the way. And yeah, whether we top out or what, probably zoom out a bit, being the first video back. Yeah, we're at a key level. And it's interesting, we haven't really broke out above this since we've been below this. However, on the Ethereum pair, I can already see what you can already see. Bang, there's one. There's a more clearer one. This is very interesting. And the US dollar is not looking too strong. Let me just fix this up real quick. See if we can move that. That would go on green. But now I'm going off the MACD. We've had a bearish cross, and if we continue down, it will be quite volatile from the stable coins. You can see the same thing from Tether, but we're a bit oversold, which means we can also pick up. And we're going to Bitcoin in that, but no, I'm really interested in Bitcoin. Come on. So, in terms of the macro, the volatility index is right at the bottom again after this massive down channel. So it could be we have a massive up channel before a down channel again, we don't know, but it's at support. And where's the dollar? Where's the dollar in terms of all this? It is also at support. This double top, breakdown, flip, and now we've gone, and we're now back there again at the 200 moving average, at oversold levels. So I do see a little dumpy dump in risk, which means the dollar will gain strength, only to capitulate potentially to the next level. So I don't see this holding out too long, honestly, I don't. So we could come up a bit to the 50, quite large in terms of everything else in the world, and then meet down here, potentially even further, I don't know. Oh, let's get rid of that. So the yields, we need to watch them a bit closer. They haven't been looking too crash hot. Making a new low. Now we're under moving averages, but we can't really look at indicators on the yields. They either go up or they go down. Like they seem to be following the fitty pretty well. And gold and silver have just been absolutely on a tear. Like very similar to the Ethereum XRP pair. We've just broken out of this, but we are double topping with some divergence, so maybe we do need a bit of a refresh, a bit of a cool down, which will back up the US dollar having a bit of a rally while everything cools off for a bit, shakes out all the weak hands obviously, and then gold and silver can be like bang, very quickly be like bang. So I've had silver mapped out for a while because I love me silver, as you can see. So yeah, we hit the 618 pullback since the COVID dip, and we've found bottom, and now we've got lots of bullish momentum. So hopefully the crypto sphere can continue on. Oh, we'll get rid of oil, what's being silly. But yeah, the Australian dollar just had a bit of a rally. It too looks like it was on the 618. I haven't measured that yet. Bang, bang, yeah, kinda. And I got that red because I was measuring bearish 618s for crypto. But you can see we're not anywhere near the top. We're kind of in the middle. So that would be a bearish 618. Yeah, very close very close to it, which would in fact back up the US dollar having a bit of a rally, seeing my good old dollar coming down before it takes control and tests this line again. So who knows? Who knows? Bo knows. Probably Bubba Cugs. Bit of divergence, yeah. So back to XRP real quick. The XRP is dominating the market. Yes? No? Maybe. We're on the 4 hour still. XRP. Very interesting. Was flipping some key levels. It's testing the 200. We might have a bit of a deeper pullback. Again, while everything cools down. So, now, if we start to test and hold support, I'm looking at over here, maybe the middle of this channel. Yep, seems to be a good liquidity zone. Potentially down here as well. So I would say we form a double bottom before rallying. And if you want to learn how to trade this bad boy and get some sick derivatives, 6% or more, if you use leverage, then check out the Discord. It's all in there, playbook, everything, and I'm building it out constantly. Okay, we'll get you started. All your links in there. And yeah, before we go, got the link tree going on, which make it very easy for you to follow said links. The YouTube channel, the Discord, the merchandise, available to you by me. Support the channel, buy a shirt. I'll get rid of these mugs and put the blue logo up because the mugs are ridiculous. But the shirt's pretty quality. Let me know how you go. And once again, be my friend. Smash the like button again and again. Thanks, guys. Catch up. XRP community.